Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to learn Markov process. So, firstly, we discuss about Markov analysis. Markov process is derived from a Russian mathematician. This type of probabilistic models known as stochastic process in which the current state of a process depends on all of its previous state. So, we can say a Markov chain is a stochastic model describing a sequence of possible events in which the probability of event depends only on state attended in the previous state. In continuous time, it is known as Markov process. So, Markov process is named after the Russian mathematician. Markov chain have many applications such as such as statistical model of real world process. Markov processes are basis for general stochastic simulation method known as Markov chain, which are used for simulating sampling from complex probability distributions and have found application in many cases. Uses of Markov process are to examine and predict the behaviors of consumers in terms of their brand loyalty and switching patterns to other brands, usually constructed in terms of transition possibilities, used to study the stock market price movements. A stochastic process is called Markov process if the future development of the process depends on its parts only through its present and otherwise independent of past history of the process. So this system is memoryless system and these blocks represent how Markov process work. A Markov chain is a stochastic model describing a sequence of possible events in which the probability of each event depends only on state attended in the previous events. In probability theory and related fields, a Markov process, Markov property, memoryless. So, in one line, we can say Markov process is a memoryless structure. Markov chain as a Markov process in either discrete or continuous time with countable state space. Here we discuss a two-state diagram for Markov process. So, here a diagram representing a two-state Markov process with the states E and A. Each number represents the probability of the Markov process changing from one state to another state with the direction indicated by the arrow. For example, if the Markov process is in state A, then the probability it changes to state E is 0.4, while the probability it remains in state A is 0.6. Some basic features of Markov process. Firstly, the Markov property. The future depends on the past through the present. Below equations are given for the Markov property. Second, features of Markov process is transition matrix. We can represent the Markov chain by a matrix containing the transition probabilities. Transition graph, we can represent the Markov chain with a transition graph where a positive transition probability is represented by arrow. Time homogeneity, the property that the transition probabilities does not change over the time. Thank you.